Just waiting for this guy coming in on final. Yeah, boy. Pre-flight's done, run-up's done, we got the weather. Weather's good, airplane's good, pilot's good, very good.
Franklin County traffic, Cessna 704 Echo Victor on Alpha, departing runway 1, Franklin County.
Doors, windows, locked. Seatbelts, on. Mixture, rich. We go. We rolling. Airspeed, alive. Coming up. Look for 70. There's 60. 69, nice. And up we go. We're out. Vents open. Get some air in here. It is hot.
Franklin County traffic 554 turning downwind, Franklin County. Franklin County, 4 Echo Victor, left crosswind for runway 1. We'll be departing out of the pattern to the west, Franklin County.
Morrisville, traffic 7 Romeo Victor's in a left downwind for runway 1, touch and go Morrisville.
Non-road traffic with waypoint 1 mile final 20 on the RNAV approach.
Alright, before landing checklist, doors are closed but not locked.
Adirondack traffic,
Vents are open.
239er Bravo is holding short of runway 9er for run-up. And inbound traffic, don't feel obligated to use 9er. We're just using it because it's most convenient for us. You're in the air, we can work around you.
I was going to use 5, but that would cross your guys' path. So I'm fine with 9er. I'm a 150. I can land wherever.
Roger that. 239er Bravo.
Alright, before landing checklist, doors closed. Unlocked, vents open because it is just freaking hot. Mixture, rich, landing light on, seatbelt secured. Oil pressure good, oil temperature good. Forward landing checklist complete.
Adirondack traffic, Dakota 2139 Bravo, entering runway 9, departure, departing to the east. Adirondack.
Adirondack Regional traffic, Cessna 704, Victor 3 miles to the east. We're crossing midfield pattern altitude for the left downwind for runway 9er, full stop from Adirondack. Adirondack Regional traffic, 4 Victor in the left downwind for landing runway 9er, Adirondack.
Adirondack traffic, Dakota 2139 Bravo is departing the pattern to the east. Final call, Adirondack.
Carb heat on. Throttle back. 10 degrees flaps.
Adirondack, 4 Victor, turning left base, runway 9er, Adirondack. Adirondack, 4 Victor, short final for 9er, Adirondack.
Floating in, approach speed is on. Let her float.
Adirondack traffic, 4 Victor, clear of the runway, taxiing for departure, runway 9er, Adirondack.